Yeah, Summer Dreams.
For the week.
Non, c'est week-end, c'est week-end.
Yeah, what's up? Nouvelle, lui?
Nouvelle, vraiment.
Shout out. Yeah, it's true.
Hey, hi. We are live at the Montreal Black Film Festival. Carel, parlez pour moi, non, pas encore.
Oh, so, parce que tu parles avec Spike Lee, on va parler. What's going on?
On va faire une vidéo comme ça, puis Jacques 4, c'est pas la donne.
Exactement. So, Carel, si tu es côté de lui.
Ok, nous dans Concordia, dans Montréal, après bien sûr Q&A et screening film sur Michael Jackson. Il aime pas parler avec Michael. Il aime parler avec Michael as a producer. Ou un film déjà ou bien ou t'es well déjà? What do you think about it, man?
I mean, this is même je me dis ça c'est la deuxième fois que moi on va avec Spike Lee. Et c'est une bonne vision de film. And I think it's great. I get to experience that.
Album Michael Jackson ça pas jamais intéressé mais après tout le monde c'est trailer, you know, c'est un petit monde qui va dans 80 so.
On t'a gagné un CD off the wall, c'est peut-être une des premiers CD que parents m'achetaient.
Wow.
Tu remets ça en pile, bon, musique au back.
Yeah. Bon, dès qu'on est Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, dès qu'on dit musique ça, but the album as a whole, pas vraiment.
It's special though.
Of course.
To me, that's like right there with Thriller. It's tied to with Thriller for a great album.
That's good.
Oh, I need to do my own live as well.
Yeah, so now, on a Montréal à Bouki ça là, Michael.
Et m'a joué à soir, m'a joué dans le club qui est le New City Gas.
Yes.
Ça c'est la première fois que m'a headline New City Gas. So bien excité.
That's good. À qui le sait tout pour moun qui Montréal yo ka venir.
1h du matin.
1h du matin. Mablawi.
Okay.
And maybe we'll go live as we did at Live in Miami, remember? Yeah. So what's up with you, man? On the sun. Okay, let's go. Okay. N'a descend, n'a pas fait photo. Sorry.
Jacques, vini. Jacques, ou la game,
Quand tu vas comme ça? Carel.
Yes, sir.
Fabienne
Colas.
Et pas la gueule, non?
Son nom est alors on va Fabienne souvent la gueule, oui.
Pas la gueule.
Oh, Jacques, c'est avec toi, secrétaire pour un point de main. Jacques, c'est pas grave.
C'est pas chouette, non? C'est pas chouette, non?
Jacques, tu occupé de baraque, oui?
Yeah, I am.
Where's your put the new one in live?
Joyce. Fabienne. Oh, hi, Joyce. Joyce, Michael Brun is in the house. Michael, come. Hello. This is my sister Joyce. Hi. She's the programming coordinator of the festival. So Joyce, no, we take a photo for me after we call the guy. Okay.
Put Fafa.
Get trois Fafa là.
No, Fafa photograph. Okay, Michael. Boom. Oil. Okay, Michael and friends now.
Daniel, bon chapeau quand même,
Yeah.
Laisse-moi du gars.
Oui. Tu vas faire photo à Michael?
Attends. Yes, I want to. Just a minute. Yes, I'll Wait a minute, guys. That's my time.
Okay. Okay là.
Joyce, how's my hair? It's okay. Joyce, are you coming?
Oh, merci. The picture? Fine.
Ça faut regarder partout là, à la fois. Commence ici, comme ça. Let's go. All right.
Elle veut parler, mais elle a peur.
Qui est-ce qui veut me parler?
Elle veut
parler.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
J'adore le travail que tu fais.
Oh, ça me fait plaisir. Tu me dis plus fort?
Non. J'adore le travail que tu fais, c'est tout.
Merci beaucoup.
Wow.
Merci de vous appeler.
C'est quoi ton prénom?
Nashra.
Nashra. Enchanté, Nasha.
So that's very nice. And we are with Joyce.
Hello, everybody.
Joyce is my biological sister, even though I'm cuter. But on top of that, she is the programming coordinator of the festival. So
congratulations to you both, really.
Thank you.
And then she is our favorite caterer of the festival. Here you
Tem que
are.
manjar sua? Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. So thank you. I'm not going to make you about one or two because I know you have to go and perform. So I'm going to wale. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are in New York, we're going to be doing Haïti en folie, 22 octobre, 23 octobre.
I hope I get to come.
Brooklyn. If you're there, you're invited. You're VIP. Okay? Okay, New York.
Ouais.
So New York, Napton, 22 octobre. Karel,
Chérie.
dis au bain, non?
New York, 22-23. Ah, 22 seulement. 22-23 octobre. Map là, Original Lumière là, Parole Chouchou nap là, tout le monde nap là. So come and let's have fun.
And then for tickets, you can go to haitienfolie.com. But for now, it's the Montreal Black Film Festival, so that's where we are now. And go to montrealblackfilm.com and come and enjoy with us tomorrow. So Napale Pita, I'm tired. That was a great Spike Lee night. We had fun. It was amazing. Bye, guys.
Bye, Fabienne. All right. All right. So, Michael, I see you in a few.
That's right.
That's it.
Tonight.
That's it. Michael, we're in a new city, guys. That's it.
That's the place.
That's it. Où t'as Haïti semaine passée, right?
Yeah, ici, semaine passée. Crazy studio session. On a parlé de ça après.
Definitely.
On a parlé de ça après.
All right, bro.
Ouais.
But one thing, XOXO. What's going on with that movie?
That was amazing. I did the music for this movie, XOXO. Il sorti sur Netflix. Il y a un mois.
Yeah, un mois pratiquement. Yeah.
Et-
It's a
et
really
music-
nice movie, actually.
Thank you. Yeah, it's about electronic music, and it was actually based on me, kind of.
Yeah, of course. That's kind of your story.
Yeah. So yo m'a dit me faire musique là pour film. Et
Yeah.
puis, me faire-
And it's the main song of the
Oui,
soundtrack.
it's
And the
a-
movie is all about that music.
And the whole movie is about
Yeah.
the song All
Yeah.
I Ever Wanted, and the song got 1 million plays.
Yeah, I see that.
In a week on Spotify, and now it's at almost 4 million.
Wow.
And it has almost 1 million on YouTube, so it went
It blows
crazy.
out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it blew up.
And I think that the music video is coming out too, and you showed it
Next
right?
week.
Next week.
The music video is coming out next week. So
That's
come on,
good.
get
Good
branché. I'll be in there.
And what about your new single, Kosotia?
There's a lot of music. There's a song just came out called Summer Dreams.
Summer Dreams, yes.
Which I did with a producer called Marshall Lama. It's a really great song.
Mm-hmm.
But I have a big single from my album.
Yeah.
It's the first single from my
Yeah,
album.
yeah.
It's
Qui
called
Poko
Jupiter.
Sorti.
Qui Poko Sorti.
Yeah, Jupiter. That's the one with
I
white
played it-
English.
exactly,
Yes.
I played it at wherever I go fest.
Yeah.
So it's out in a few weeks.
That's good, man.
Few
You're
weeks,
doing
my
great
boy,
things.
You're gonna get it.
Of course, we're gonna play it live on
That's right,
Chokarella.
that's right. So, yeah, I'm very excited for that song.
All right, bro. Look, we're proud of you, man. Keep doing your thing. Et puis, we're in a new city, guys. Michael Brun, Montreal. That's it, bro. Okay, man. All right. Voilà. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know. If finger question. Yeah. Oh, bon bagay. Bon bagay. Eh bien, of course, we'll be in touch, right? Thank you, bro. No problem. Yes.
Oh, are you still live?
Yeah, I'm live. Put the wall as well.
Hold on. We from that phone sorti avec
The
le
night
couple
is
là.
young.
Oh, guess what? This morning I was doing a live.
Yeah, I see that with no interview, right?
Et puis mon yo dit me code Karel. I'm sorry. Mon yo dit me code Karel. I'm like, mais Karel la hotel li, Karel la Kylie. I don't know. I don't go. You know, pas sorti avec tout invité mieux mes amis.
Voilà.
I'm telling you.
I know.
So, pour toutes mesdames qui besoin venir voir Karel,
Par exemple, le jour que t'es 48 heures.
so
48
yes,
hours.
you guys can come and see him.
Okay, guys. Talking about seeing me, moun ki mande no film na. Film Michael Brun, c'est XOXO. XOXO on Netflix. Check it out.
Michael has a film?
No, he didn't have a film. He produced the main song for a film.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
and,
nice.
and that's a movie produced by
Joyce, come here.
by Netflix.
What are you guys talking about?
Yeah,
We were talking about
we're talking about how great our
video.
picture last night was.
That's my
Picture
sister
last night?
Joyce.
Which picture last night? Oh, our picture.
Yeah.
Oh yes, we put it on
Oh,
Facebook.
yes, of course.
And
But
this
that's
is
not what we're
Joyce.
talking
Let me introduce you. That's my sister Joyce.
Hello, everybody.
Of course, I know what you're thinking. I know. I'm cuter. That's a fact, and Joyce has to live with that. You know, she's been coping with that.
Yep.
And that's my little sister Joyce, and I just love her. And she is the one inviting all the stars, the celebrities, la festival.
She's the plug.
She's the one. Not just the celebrities, but also all filmmakers, young and old, and not so old and not so young, and emerging filmmakers or established filmmakers. So she is the real deal here, and without her, maybe there would not be any festival. So thank you, sweetie pie. Mwah.
Follow them
Yeah.
everywhere.
She is the best.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sarah,
Thank
mon
you, Sarah.
amour.
And this is Sarah Redelik. And this is
Sarah, what's up?
And Sarah,
tu vas,
Sarah,
Sarah?
c'est une chanteuse
I
extraordinaire.
have the Jackson feeling, the Jackson
Oh,
fire
okay, where are
in
you
my
going to
body.
party? Where's the after party? Tell us where the after party. You didn't come to the after party last night.
No.
We had a really nice after party.
Dynamite, du ciel du soleil, voilà. Tu text me.
Okay, I'll text you.
Si
Okay.
jamais, oui, if you're looking for just...
I'll let you know.
Oui.
Okay, Shay. All right, good. Guys, can you get Shay business work on you? Okay, wait. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye, guys. Alright guys, so bye bye. La croisée soon, c'était nous des live dans Montréal dans le cadre de Montreal Black Film Festival, 12e édition. C'est avant-dernière journée, demain c'est cérémonie de clôture là. Et moi j'étais membre jury dans le festival là et c'est un plaisir pour moi d'être là et j'étais dans Montréal là, tout le monde qui vient nous content de nous. Tout le monde qui peut venir nous n'a pas lundi, I should have a tweet up pour le monde qui est Montréal yo. And you should know about it.
Félicitations.
Thank you, bro.
Félicitations. Non.
We're live.
Oh, you're live?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
Par la web, ça qu'a fait.
Ah, là, oui.
Yes.
So, maintenant, tu t'es posé question à Spike
Yeah.
Lee. C'est la deuxième fois que tu as assisté en présentation.
Avec Spike Lee.
Avec Spike Lee. La dernière fois, c'était il y a 7 ans. C'était pour le film Miracle at Santana.
It's a really nice movie. That
Yeah, it was
yeah.
pretty good. And honestly, it's still a great honor to have him here. And also for that documentary was perhaps...
Yes, about Michael Jackson.
It
It
was
really
pretty
good. Yep.
And because Off the Wall is probably my favorite album of all of this. Is my
Of
favorite
Michael Jackson's album?
Yeah, it's my favorite along with Dangerous. And honestly, it was good to watch that documentary because it gave a more explanation about how the pop revolution started. It started with Off the Wall, not
Yeah.
with Thriller.
Yes.
And it's quite sad that the younger generation still believe that Thriller is the best album.
Thriller was a
was a good album.
Was a better selling album
Yeah.
than Off the Wall. And actually, I think also Thriller came out like early 80s, so it was a different type of period for American music as a whole, you know?
I know, but when I listen to Off the Wall, you see the true nature of Michael Jackson, the true him.
Yeah, and I think that's how he set up like the goal of his life as an artist. That's how he defined himself as an artist. And I think that since it's his first solo album after the Jacksons, that said it all.
I know, but
Yeah.
also it shows him the true master how he is, and especially when I listen to I Can Help It.
Yeah.
Every time I listen to I Can Help It, I always think about someone close, someone that you feel you have some feelings with, and it reflects exactly the night you have the feeling that there's something beautiful gonna happen at night, whether it's a romantic evening, whether it's you thinking about. Wow, it's too much to say, but
I know, man. No problem. So, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, same.
Bon bagay.
Then soon.
Haïtien, boy. Red. I know, right? Okay, so we were saying, demain, c'est dans... Fabienne, demain, nous gagnons... Demain, qui côté d'activité, vous avez des gens qui ont demandé?
Cinéma du Parc, cinéma ONF. Cinéma du Parc,
c'est à 1h?
À partir de 1h, allez sur haitieninfolie.com.
Non, allez sur montrealblackfilm.com.
Oh my goodness! Ça m'a dit que je me fatigue un peu.
Allez sur Montréal. C'est parce que tu parles à Michael de Haïti en folie.
Montrealblackfilm.com. Allez sur Montreal. Thank you, Carel.
You're welcome.
You saved my butt. Montrealblackfilm.com et puis on a toute programmation.
That's it, guys. So, that's it. Bye-bye. Oh, je vais parler de festival là. Somali, I love you and stay tuned. All right.